welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Also, I am taking emails as well. If you guys are having any issues with any of your tech, then feel free to email me and I will try my best to help you guys out. So I'm going to start by saying that I've recently created a website. You can see it right here on my screen right now. There's a bunch of different tabs that I have. The website's, of course, called howtotechtips.com. And basically, the main function, but I think for this website, is the forms section. So you click on forms. Here, you will find all of your, troubleshooting. If you want to sell, your Microsoft equipment, Apple equipment. There's just tutorials and laptops. Sometimes one person may have an error. I might not have the message, but somebody else might. Before open discussion for everybody that needs help with their technology. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Windows 11 for free. How we're going to do this is we're going to go to Windows 11. And if you actually type this in and go to the Microsoft website, this is exactly what you will see in your browser. And there's really not much information that you can find about this. All it says is that how to get it and that it's available now. And in order to do so, then you would check for compatibility, which you would download this PC Health Check app to make sure that your computer is in fact capable for Windows 11. Or you can just see the minimum requirements. That's another option. But there's really nothing else you can really see, or there's no links or anything like that. So you can there are two ways. So you can either just wait for the Windows 11 notification. Sorry about that. Windows 11 notification. Or you can do it how I'm going to be showing you guys right now. So yeah, there's no information here. So you would just want to go back to Google and write Windows 11 ISO. The very first one that comes up says download Windows 11. And then here, it's exactly like for Windows 10. So you can either get the installation assistant, the installation media, which would let you basically download the ISO file onto a bootable USB drive. And then you would have to make sure that your USB is in place of your hard drive, that it's first on the list for it to boot from. Or you can just download the bootable drive and then just install it later onto a USB drive, or however else. There's multiple ways you can put the ISO file onto a USB drive to make it bootable, but I have found that the installation media is probably the easiest way to do that. And then where to begin. So there's a few options on this one. So I'll just download it actually really quick for you guys. So media creation tool. It's called the same thing like in Windows 10. Boot that guy up. And while we're waiting for this all to start up, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course share any of my videos. So here is the licensing agreement, licensing terms. Hit accept. And also, don't know if I mentioned, but if you guys need any help with any of your technology, just email me. My email's in the description below. Okay, so we can select a language. So whatever your language is, then you would pick that. I'm English from United States, Windows 11, perfect. And then here you can either pick the USB flash drive or the ISO file to burn later. So this basically is the same thing as downloading this guy. It's the exact same thing. There's no difference at all. And then from here, USB, you would then, I don't have a USB flash drive in my computer, but you would find it right here. You can refresh the list, and then you hit next, and then it would just start booting up and everything, or start installing onto your USB drive. And if you really want me to be honest, you probably don't even need to change, like you don't have to change the boot order. You could probably just unplug it and then plug it back into your computer, and then just go to my computer. Let's see if I can, or this PC, and then it should come up right here that it's a USB drive, and that you are for Windows 11. And then you could just double click it. And then if you double click it, then there should be a little setup section at the bottom of the list. And then the bottom of the list, and then you would double click that, and then it should say whether you want to download Windows 11 on this computer, and then you would just hit next, and then you just follow all the steps. It's pretty straightforward. If you guys are having any issues or anything, then please feel free to message me. I wish I kept my USB drive that I had for Windows 11, but I gave it to a friend. But anyway, if you guys are having any issues, feel free to message me. And don't forget to keep teching on.